welcome you back to my channel, where I'm going to show you some core exercise, core strengthening exercise, which is so helpful for your posture, for your core strength. So first exercise I'm showing here is incline plank hold in a full plank position. So that was for the beginners. So if you find that is easy for you, then you go for with full plank position. Yes, your spine has to be straight, it has to be parallel to the floor. So you have to contract your abdomen when you're holding it. So this is little easier compared to the first one. So if you find this previous one easy, now you can go on your elbow, that is elbow plank. So same way, you have to keep your spine parallel to the floor. So at this time of holding, you have to contract, you have to tuck in your abdomen so that you get a good stability of your hold. So keep on holding. So start beginning holding with 30 seconds, one set you can do it. So next we are going with plank twist. So this all strengthen your core muscles, including your obliques, your hips, your spine. This will also bring you flexibility overall. This is so helpful when you're working, sitting for long hours in the office. Yes. So next we're going with plank jack. Same way in the elbow plank position hold. So you have to move. This is a modified one. You can go. Then this is the actual, that first you can do it. Plank jack. As you do while you're standing, right? Jumping jack. So this is in plank position, plank jack. So next we are going with side plank. This is modified. For a really beginner, you can go with this easy side plank hold. You hold for try around 30 seconds. Then gradually you increase the number of time. Then this is the, if you find easy the previous one, you can go with this folding your inner leg, so you can see the position, how I'm holding it. Or this is the advanced one. If you find all the previous two easy, you can go with this directly. So this is for you side plank, or you can call it side bridge. So how did you feel? Are you exhausted? So do on each sides, right and left. So starting with the beginner side plank hold, bending both your knees. So hold on. You start, if you are a beginner, start with one set. So you are already doing, you go directly with the full side plank hold. So this is the second one, which will make you a little tougher than the first one. So this is the ultimate for the advanced. So here you have to balance your body and hold for some time. So how are you feeling now? I feel really sore when I did it. So next you are going with Russian twist. Go with your body weight, just twist it. Previous one was not raising from the floor. This second one is raised from the floor, which will make you tougher. So next, if you find all the other previous one very easy, you start holding with, give external weight. So you can keep your heel on the floor. If you find this also very easy, then you can raise up from the floor. This will give you another challenge. Yes, it's so important for you, this workout, for your transverse abdominals we call it, which balances your core, your side muscles of your abdominals. So next, this is very technical, it's called Pilates 100. So how this 100 came? It's the pulse of your movement of your arms, which I'm moving right now. So totally should come 100. So how you do it? First you inhale through your nose, 5 counts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then exhale from your mouth, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. Total it will be 100. Yes. So I hope you understood it. Yes. Or if you find difficult the previous one, you can start with this, which I'm going to show you. You can bend, you can start with this if you find the previous one first. If you that was the first one and this is the easy one, easier version I am showing you. So same way, start. Breathe in, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale from your mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10 count. Then again, like that you have to do hundreds. Okay. So if you're liking my video, subscribe, like, and see you all soon.